So, good evening, my juicy pancakes. This is the Candid Show brought to you by host Sri Ram. I have Krishna with me as my co host today. So, today we're going to be doing an episode of basically reviewing our podcast which we have done so far and kind of telling us the present plans or kind of making you understand what we have done so far in changing the podcast to how it is right now. And we'll also be focusing on what we're going to be doing in the future regarding our podcast, like various changes, various marketing strategies, or various ideas which we have regarding the future of this podcast. So that will be the main idea of this episode as a whole. So to jump into the first section of this episode, we'll be talking about the past, or basically what we've done so far. So I think as soon as we started off, we did not have a very clear idea of what we wanted to do, because I think as soon as we kind of started off the idea of starting a podcast, we did not think much about the logistics, or we did not care much about the quality of the actual podcast in general, because I think we just had a thought in our mind that just the voice is enough, or you don't need any kind of elements to the voice or any kind of elements to your podcast to make it much more interesting. So that was our idea of actually getting into the podcasting business, and then we kept doing that for about 3 or 4 episodes. And again, one of the very big problems which we kind of did, or mistakes also which we kind of did early on in our podcasting journey, was we used to do very, very long episodes, because I think even though I still remember our very first two or three episodes where each of them was roughly about 42 minutes or 38 minutes or something. So I think doing such high durations of episodes, I think, is definitely not good, at least because I think, at least regarding our audience, or at least our demographic of people who watch, obviously there is only a few people. I think we've come to the understanding that people in general, or our audience in general, do not have much of a bigger attention span, I guess. So I think the very first thing which we kind of changed, or the important thing which we kind of changed to improve our podcast, or actually reduce the timing. So we drastically reduced the timing to about 15 to 20 minutes, and I think that definitely paid off, because we definitely had substantial increase in the views, in YouTube views and Spotify also. And it was easier for us to talk about stuff like this also, was again because obviously since duration is reduced, we did not need to plan out a lot for talking which the stuff which we wanted to talk about. So Krishna, what and all do you think we've changed, or do you think all of the thing which we've done in the past, or do you think we made a lot of mistakes as we started out our podcasting journey?
So speaking about our past, so like at the beginning we kind of had this thought about we have to upload episodes on a regular basis. So like we had this schedule of uploading our day-to-day episodes on Tuesdays and Fridays and even on Sundays, and we had this format where we did technical and non-technical episodes on Tuesdays and Fridays, and on Sundays we did all these TV show discussions and movie discussions. So like that actually didn't go well, and we also brought in many kind of formats. And of course at the beginning we didn't care much about the quality, or like about which mic we preferred to use. So like we were using very low quality mics, or like our personal headphones. So like I don't blame us, but it is the starting stage for each and every person to shine in their field, where experience is something that is very important, and gaining experience is something very important to shine in the future. So like each and every step was a very big stepping stone for us, and even now we are in a stepping stone only. So like even this episode we are recording right now may seem as a silly episode in the future. So like considering our vocabulary and our fluency and our all these kind of our developments in the future. So according to the past, we kind of saw that we were developing very much. So like we were at the starting stage, we were using very dull intro music, and we didn't use any kind of background. So like all these background noise and all these kind of unwanted noise was recorded. So like we didn't actually concentrate on much on the audio side. So moving about the changes we have brought in, like we have brought in various changes. So like speaking right from the intro, we have changed the channel's intro, and I hope you are listening, all the people listening to this episode, like our episode's intro, and all these background music we are using in our episodes, as background music plays a very important role in kind of listening. So like you can't just sit and listen a very normal kind of audio form, where you have to be made engaged engaging by adding all these kind of background musics. So like we came to realize all these kind of importance about the background music, and we brought in various types of background music which is apt for the episode. So like if we are speaking a very serious episode, so we kind of implemented very mysterious, or like, so like we kind of had various kind of genres of all these kind of audio backgrounds. So yeah, that was the major change we brought in. And regarding the social media side and all these Instagram, Twitter pages, we kind of developed so much. So like at the beginning we kind of only posted the topic and the release time and date of the episode using very basic fonts. So like now we kind of developed very much, where we kind of make a short intro video about our podcast, and we kind of give a very small glimpse about what we are going to talk about, and fitting all these relative images. So that is a very big important kind of development we kind of did in all these social media pages. And we mainly changed the banner, which was very ordinary for a channel, so like for a podcast channel. So all these were the basic changes made. And we also changed the DP of our podcast. So like these were the basic change which we made, and there will be various changes made in the future according to the response given from the audience. So Shriram, what do you think about the changes brought in by us? So like what do you think about the current changes that we have brought in, and including all these kind of season kind of formats, which at the beginning we didn't actually think about bringing in about all these kind of season formats. We just blindly uploaded all the episodes, and now we have come up with a very new idea of season type of formats, which consists about 20 or 22 episodes. So what do you think about it, Shriram?
I think we've actually learned a lot in this process, I would say, because I think as soon as we started off, I think we had potentially no idea of how the podcasting thing kind of worked, because we just had an idea that you just simply record an audio and you just post it. I think that's all is the idea we had of a podcast in general. We did not know the amount of background effort which goes behind every one of these podcasts which some of these popular podcasters upload. I think it was just a gradual learning process, I suppose, because obviously at the beginning we did not have any kind of big creative intelligence towards a broadcast in general. We just wanted to push out content as much as possible. So I think that was the first big thing which we worked on, because as soon as we took the 2 weeks break, we did a lot of things in those 2 weeks breaks, I think, because the biggest thing, I suppose, was obviously the change of our logo, I guess, because we had a logo, but I think we were not entirely satisfied with it. It did not convey a much powerful message. It did not look innovative, etc. So we wanted to change it. So we completely remodeled the logo, and obviously we changed our banners on our Twitter, on our Instagram, on our Facebook. So we brought a lot of changes actually in these past 3 or 4 months, I suppose, and all of the changes actually somehow supported the podcast in a very good way. And I think we'll still do more of these in the future again, and obviously we are also learning in this process as we go, because again, as we know, we just complete strangers to this. We are entirely beginners to this, and I think podcasting is something which I think you'll slowly start to discover. You'll slowly start to learn as you progress more and more into this industry, I presume. So yeah, so moving on around to the last section of this podcast, we'd like to talk about our future plans, our future ideas regarding the podcast, because currently we have a lot of ideas. We have a lot of these kind of qualified ideas. We don't know whether some of these will work, but we plan to implement some of these ideas, because we can have an idea that this would help us push our podcast to the next level. So I think the very first change you'd like to bring about is, or the very first addition which you'd like to bring to the podcast is basically recording video footage and uploading it on YouTube, because I think any kind of a visual auditory format or any kind of a visual footage which you give the audience generally seem to enjoy it, because I think we are a generation who have very low attention span. So if you think about it, any kind of visual cue or any kind of visual side of an entertainment, I think people most generally have more patience to kind of listen or watch. So I think in that way we'd like to bring in the addition of video footage in our podcast. We'd probably sit in one room, we'll just have a genuine candid discussion of just sitting together. We'll probably record it, because I think you give your unfiltered kind of side to your audience if we do some kind of recording footage kind of a way, I guess. And I feel this is something which I think we do need, and we'll probably bring this probably in the near future. I think we don't have any tentative date as to when we'll start implementing a format like this or a system like this, but we're pretty sure that this is definitely coming in the future. So what are your ideas, Krishna? Do you have any more ideas, or do you think these ideas will work in the future? So what's your opinion on that?
So speaking about future kind of all these kind of developments we are going to make in the future. So like first thing you said is about the video content we are going to make. So like at the beginning we only thought that podcast is about only audio form, and we only concentrated on like you only like on YouTube, on Spotify. And speaking about YouTube, we all know that we are living in a generation where we are more attracted to all these kind of visual contents rather than persons coming and sitting and listening to something audio form. So like we kind of want all these visual contents. So like it doesn't have to seem like a third person coming to our channel and sitting and listening to a complete stranger, and rather we think that bringing up visual content to kind of reveals us more and our personality and our characters more, and we kind of have more kind of impromptu conversations on live camera. So like we can record it and upload it. You can see our reactions to each and everything we speak. So that is the very basic or the very main future change that we have to bring, and from that also kind of we would concentrate on YouTube side. As regarding the present situation, we are only uploading the slides according to the topic we speak. So like if you consider our podcast, we speak about various kind of topics, subtopics in the particular certain episode. So like we kind of do various kind of topic slides to it, and we only upload those slides in YouTube. So bringing up visual content will be more challenging and will be more helpful regarding the progress of our podcast. So that is the main thing that we have to bring. And the major change that we brought in was about buying specific microphones. So like you are hearing us from our professional microphone kit. So like we have purchased it after the end of the season 0. So we have concentrated more on the audio quality. So like at the beginning you can see that we were using very low budget or like low budget microphones or like our personal headphones to record our podcast. So like that didn't bring up a very big change in the quality of the episode. So the bringing in the microphone was one of the most important kind of a development that we made. And the next step is about video format.
Yeah, definitely, Krishna. I think a lot of things are on their way to this podcast, regarding this podcast. And I think the future looks very bright. And we had a very good past 3 to 4 couple of months, I think, in terms of growth and in terms of us learning also, because I think we have learnt a lot through this. We actually do a lot of background research behind some of these topics. I think for people who are wondering, we actually do a lot of research, or we actually do good amount of background checks before we talk about any other topic, anything for that instance. Because I think you should not talk anything wrong, or you should not report something wrong, because people are obviously going to listen to this, and sometimes if they take information out of it, they can't get the wrong information. So we always like to do good amount of background checks and at least have a very good sense of what we're going to talk about before we speak. So I think in that way this podcast has helped us a lot to grow. We've also grown a lot as human beings, and I think we will grow at least. And in this year, I feel a lot of great things are about to come for this podcast, and I honestly think all of you must witness it. And I'm very bright, and I consider the podcast future is definitely bright in the future. So yeah, that will be the end of today's episode, guys. Thank you so much for listening to it. So if you have any kind of comments, suggestions or criticism, please drop it in the YouTube comment section down below, and make sure you listen to us on Spotify also. And also make sure you share about this podcast, or tell about this podcast to your friends also. Ask them to listen to it. So that will be the end of today's episode, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.